Ang sumunod sa kanya si Bingbong. Bongbong. Kung manalo siya sa protest niya, baka bago ang ating Vice Presidente.
Siya lang naman. Yung mga mag-i-impeach kay Mayor Digong, hindi siya i-impeach kung akong vice. Dahil hindi nila manulok na ako magiging gagawin nilang presidente. So, I suppose the best way to safeguard Mayor Duterte would be to have me as his vice president, because siguradong hindi siya tatanggalin dahil akong papalit sa kanya. So talagang hindi nila gagawin. So that's a good way to safeguard his position.
So you not support any impeachment?
Of course not. Ayaw natin ng gulo. That's the last thing we need in this country is more gulo. What we need is to stabilize our political situation so that we can attend to all the problems that are faced by our people. Even, never mind yung impeach, sinabi ko na, I've already taken the position, it should not be the policy of any president or vice president or any member of the executive na habul-habulin yung mga nakaraan. And as I have said in many interviews, kung sasabihin nila na ikukulong ang mga, o iimbestigahan o kakasuhan yung mga opisyal ng nakarang administrasyon, I will advise against it. Because tama na yan. Walang nangyari sa atin sa ganyang klaseng sitwasyon. We know what's happening. Nothing will happen. Kinulong nito, inimbestigahan, kinasuhan niya. Wala may naitulong ba dyan? Has it helped anybody? Is our situation better? Has it built one schoolroom? Has it created one job? May pinakain ba na bata? Yung mga ganyang klaseng ginawa? Wala. So, tabi na muna natin yan, and we get on with the work of the government, which is providing services to the people.
Ako'y pumunta ron para lang kasi itong unang pagkakataon ko na personal na magpasalamat sa kanyang mga statement. Unang-una tungkol sa libing ng aking ama, sa kanyang pagkaupo bilang Pangulo. At pangalawa, yung kanyang mga salita na sinusuportahan niya ako at sinasabi nga niya na tumutulong na kami magkaibigan at suportado niya yung aking ginagawa. We talked about a little bit about what happened in the last election, pero hindi naman masyado sa yung mga technical side dahil nagkikwentuhan lang naman kami, nagkikwento kung ano yung nangyari sa nung halalan. So and kung ano yung mga plano niya para sa kanyang pag-upo at the end of this month. So hindi specific na ganun. We were actually in a gathering together with the proponents of yung ALDAB. Kung maalala ninyo, yung ALDAB, which is the Alyansa ni Duterte at ni Bongbong, yung tawag nila naging ALDAB. At nandun yung mga leader na yun. At yun na nga, nagkikwento.
Ikan ko ang panahon noon at ngayon. Kung hindi lang siya tumagal ng pagka-presidente, kung hindi lang siya naging diktador na matagal, pinaka-the best na presidente dumaan, Marcos. Yung biyayang dagat niya, pati yung masagana 99, that was the time na hindi tayo nag-import talaga ng pagkain, sitang. Yun talaga. Sundin na lang natin yun kasi yun ang gumana. Huwag na tayo na mag-imbento ng bago kasi yung iba naman dyan, huwag natin sundin yan, baka sabihin sunod-sunod lang tayo. Para tinitignan ko na yung naghiram ako ng material. Marcos, masagana 99, pati yung biyayang dagat.
They are contesting kung hero ba si Marcos. Wala akong pakialam. Whether hero siya o hindi, pagkasundalo sa tiyan siya. Yung hero politika na yan. One is the president. Number one qualification, malibing ka. Tapos pangalawa, sundalo ka. Whether I favor the opposition or I side with the Doso, yung pamilya na Marcos, I'm limited to what is the law. This issue has divided the nation. Lahat ng Ilocano say that si Marcos talaga hero. Or there is the law that favors the Burial. So why should I... Bakit pa ako pag dilidala ibang presidente ayaw? Hero. Hindi hero, hindi. Sundalo, oko. Maganda siyang presidente. Depends. Almost half of the country says that he was a good president. Lalo na mga Ilocano. O di nasasaktan sila nitong ginagawa ngayon. So hindi nahihil yung... Lahat ng Ilocano, ang sikreto lang, may galit yan.
But they only
Sa kanilang kapwa
several
Ilocano.
millions out of the 100
No, I don't think so.
million
You know why?
Filipinos.
You know why hindi mag-abot ng milyon yan? Tignan mo pagtakbo ni Bongbong. Ilang diferensya lang sila. It's about 200,000. Tapos sabihin niyo na it's still fresh. Even Bongbong Marcos was, sabi niya, dinaya siya. Baka, kung hindi siya dinaya, talagang manalo siya.
So the election result, Mayor, is one of the parameters.
Well, even then, I said, the number is very minimal. If it's an indication to you that there is no more such thing as a Marcos trauma, just look at the results of the election. It will tell you that si Lenes, naghabol sila na, ilan ang boto na ano? It's about 600 to 200,000. Something went astray. Kaya huwag ka masyadong ako, October 16 pa man yung deadline. I might run for mayor again. I might run for senator. I might run for... Gusto na niyong marinig.
Definitely you're running, but no position yet.
Oh, you mentioned it for me. Kayo na magbanggit. I'll run for what?
President. Smile.
Tapos gusto niyong tanungin kung ang vice ko siya.
Wala pala, ikaw pala. Ikaw lang.
Pag sinabi kong oo, automatic na kasi
Sabi mo siya. It's for you to decide later on.
no, I promise Senator Marcos to get in touch with him.
Well, if he, as he says, he's not running, but he has a very good view. Siyempre, kasi naging frontrunner siya at naging potential candidate siya. Naiintindihan niya ang political landscape. So, mabuti naman from his perspective na malamang lalo na as I said, matagal na kami magkaibigan. So, I needed to talk to somebody whose advice I knew was genuine.
What's the genuine advice that he gave you?
Wow, iba-iba. There are many elements that we talk about. Hindi lang what to do. You know, all of them. We talked about what's happening. Sino na matatakbo. What I could possibly do. But not only that, nagkwentuhan din kami ng wala sa politika.
We are starting the march now. Para sa akin, it's a matter of law. Batas yan eh. So ako, abogado, it is very clear to me na ang decision ko tama. As a lawyer, and I could only stick to what is the law. So, but there's anything that I can do, o yung, that's better, we better avoid. But kung talagang magkano, then I will intervene. Pero walang, I will fly dito kagad, pabalik. Should there be any untoward incident, but I have standing orders to the police and the military to keep everybody safe. But if it goes out of control, then I will fly immediately.